welcome back to Altus channel. So today I'm going to show you how to check your 2024 snap recap on Snapchat very easily. So what you need to do is go to your Snapchat, open your Snapchat. Once you open your Snapchat, what you need to do is you're going to come right here, which is your memory. Click on your memory, and this is where you're going to get all your memories or your Snapchat recaps. Now what you need to do is just click on it, and you're going to see it. So if you are okay with it, just check it. These are your Snapchat. These are your snap recap for 2024. So if you want to send anything, just click on send to. You can send to anybody here now, and you can choose anyone you want to send it to. It's very easy. And if you cannot find it, you can just set your check your data if it is available, and you can also go and check your update if it is not there. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.